Okay, hi guys, nice to see you again. Today I will show you one of the most important thing you can check for your car's engine is that change engine oil. Yes, change engine oil is one of the most important thing you can do to keep your engine long lasting, run forever. This is one of the most important thing you should do for your car. Yes, sure. In this video, I will show you how to do this. Yes. Okay. Now, the first thing I will show you the tool. Yes, what we have here. Yes, this is oil filter. Yes, I will change oil filter. Here, yes, this is oil filter, and this is oil, engine oil, 4 liter, 20 W50. This is my brother. He's so handsome. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, yes, this is the oil filter wrench. Yes, we use this to remove oil filter. You can see. Yes, I buy this from a local store with around $10, and this is the 17mm wrench. Yes, to remove the drain bone in the oil pan. Yes, and then the next thing is that this is the two jack stand. I have to lift up the car before I remove the oil filter. Yes, and then the hydraulic lifter. Yes, this is the hydraulic lifter. Yes, I will use this to lift the car up. Yes, okay. Yes, that is on what we are preparing for this. Okay, now let's start. Yeah. Okay. You can see. Yes, the first thing is lift up engine, the front hood, engine hood. Yes. Okay. Oil cap here, and I will drain. Okay, now we'll lift the car up. Yes. Here. Okay. I will lift the car up. Okay. Is it right? Yes. A little. Okay. Lifting it up. And then I will use the jack stand to keep it up while I'm doing the job. Yes, you can see it's coming up already. Let me see. Yes, rather good. Some. Okay. Yes. Now the jack stand. Yes. No. A little bit higher. Higher, a little bit. A little bit. Yes. Okay. Oh, still not enough. Some more. Some more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Higher. Yeah. Okay. One. One just stand. The second. Here. The second. Yes. Okay. Already. Okay. We'll lower it down a little bit so that it sit on the just stand. Okay. Already. So good. Yes. One. Okay. Ready then. Then I remove the oil cap. You can see? Yes. This is the oil cap from the engine. You can see? Yes. Oil cap here. Yes. Remove it. Then the next is that I will drain oil from our engine. Yes. In order not to dirt my clothes. I use a piece. Let it here. Okay. I will lie under the car. This is 17 range. You can see? Yes. I will drain it to a bucket here. I've already had a bucket. Yes. Okay. Bucket here. This is the first thing. Okay, already drained. Yes, I'm draining. Yes, this is the drain knot. Yes, 17mm ball. Okay, first thing. Waiting. I will pouring the oil this side. Okay, good. That's good. Draining it. Ready? Wait for a minute. Okay, wait for a minute. Yes, now I will tie Tighten the bond. Again. Already drain now. Oil, engine oil. Yes. With the 17mm bond. Okay. Okay. Here, let us show you. Where is the trend bond? You can see. You can see it here. Yes, can you see it? Here, yes. This is the oil pan. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. The rain's already falling here. How? Okay. Let I tighten the bond. Yes, you can see the bond. Yes, this is the bond. Okay, now I will tighten. Yes, with the 17mm bond. Yes, here, I will tighten it. Yes, you can see. Okay. Okay. Ready? Yes. Awesome. Okay. Already. Yes, this is the bond. Here, you can see. Yes, draining bond. Okay. And then engine oil. I will. Yes. Upside here. Yes. This is engine oil filter upside here. Yes, I also remove it. Also. Okay. Already. Now. Okay. Let I drain. Let I remove the oil filter. Yes. Okay. The first thing already. Okay. And then the next thing is that I will change the oil filter. Yes. You can see here. This is the oil filter range. And this is the new oil filter. Yes. This is it. Yes. Brand new oil filter. Yes, I will replace. Okay. Again. Because it's that it will remove the oil bucket. Oil bucket. Yeah. Already removed. And then I will go a little bit more inside. A little bit more inside. Yes. See that? Oh. Ha. So challenging.